What is up, everybody? This is Boots from cyborgteam.com. I am back. I got another keyboard in the studio. Let's check it out. Today we got the Motospeed GK82 TKL keyboard. TKL stands for 10 keyless. It has a monochrome backlight LED. I got the version with brown switches. I'm sorry, I'm lying to you. I got the version with red switches, red linear switches. It is a Type-C USB connection, and the cable is detachable. It also has a wireless mode with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle. It has support for Mac and PC, N-key rollover for all the gamers, and it has a 1300 milliamp hour battery. That's if you're using it in wireless mode. All right, first of all, it's running for about $50 on Amazon. And very colorful box. GK82. See if I'm missing anything. Manual, blah, blah, blah. Monochrome LED, NK rollover. Okay, we set all this. English, good. That's always good. Whatever, let's just crack this open and see what's up. Alright. You're first greeted with, this looks like a warranty card. Put that to the side. And then some brief instructions, it looks like. Okay. Put that to the side too. And a little plastic baggie will contain a plastic keycap puller, and that'll be your 2.4 gigahertz dongle right there. Don't want to lose that. And we have a braided Type-C USB cable. And here's our device. Put this box to the side. Let's see what we got. Okay, first of all, it's pretty lightweight. It's lighter than I thought it'd be. It's all plastic design, it seems like. Yep, all plastic. Got the black keys. It has a floating keycap style. And these are low profile keys. See how skinny those keys are? Okay. All right, on the back, let's see what we got. We got some kick-up feet. This here is it's like a rubberized thing so to keep your keyboard from sliding around. And that's about it. You know, I like my kick-up feet, so we're gonna put those up right now. Let's see, there's any branding? Okay, it says Motospeed on the side there. And that's about it. Other than that, pretty minimal. I like that there's no logos or anything up here in this space. I like that. This color is it's kind of like a bronze, I want to say. Let me see. And I said I got the red keycaps. Oh, I'm sorry, I got the red switches, so let's see what brand those are. Keycaps come off nice and easy. Alright. And those look like, I don't know if you can see that. Those look like Otemu box switches. See if we have any flex in the deck. Wow, I'm not getting any flex at all. It's built pretty solid. Let's see, the keys themselves, they feel really smooth. There's like no kind of grip or texture on them at all. Some people like that, some people won't. So that's about all I can say right now. Let's plug it in here, see if we can get some lighting effects. All right. See our backlight right now? It's like an ice blue kind of color. And these keycaps are double shot for the shine through to come through like that. The legends, some people like them, some people won't. All right. As you can see, it's not too bright. It's not very bright at all. But right now, this is just the full keyboard backlight. And how you change this is function and F9. And then, okay, that's one effect. It's another effect. Let's see what we got here. All right. Okay. And that's the response. And then off. And then, okay. Well, that's it. That's all you get. There's no brightness configuration. It's one brightness, it's one color, and you have about 5 different modes there for your backlight. All right, I have it plugged in here with my custom cable, but we're gonna try the 2.4 gigahertz dongle and see what kind of range we get. All right, I just plugged in the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. Now we are in wireless mode. First, when you want to go into wireless mode, you have a switch back here next to your USB Type-C cable. It says on and off. If you want to go into wired mode, have this off and then plug in your cable. If you want to go in wireless, unplug your cable and then just flip the switch to on. And now we're in wireless mode. Just that simple. Test the range on this. So right now I'm about 6 feet away and no problems here. Now I'm about 10 feet away, no problem. I'm about 20 feet away now, easily. Let's try 30 feet. All right, good range on that 2.4 gigahertz wireless mode. And now let's do a typing test, and then I'll give my final thoughts. Not too bad. You hear how quiet this keyboard is? I love that. Some of these stabilizers don't sound too good though. But they're not bad. It's not terrible at all. I actually enjoy typing on that. Not too bad of a compact keyboard here. See, when I'm at work, I like my full keyboard. I like the numpad on the side. But at home, chilling, when I don't need the numpad on the side as much, I can easily whip this out. It has pretty good distance too. Maybe I want to sit back a little farther and use the keyboard from where I'm at. It's pretty good. Nice thin design. Thin keycaps. The only thing I don't like is that backlight is not very bright. I like ice blue, but it's just not bright enough. Maybe it has something to do with the black keycaps. Maybe I'll switch out these keycaps with something else. Try that out. But the only thing really I have to say bad about it is the backlight. There's not too many different modes for it. It's a little bit boring, but hey, maybe you need this for the office. Maybe you don't need all the RGB strobing everywhere. This is nice and simple. They kept it simple. They didn't try to do too much. It's a great little keyboard. I like this. 50 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna have a link in the description. I also have a link in the description for this green camo desk mat if you're looking for that. Other than that, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'm out. Catch you later.